Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Best Woodworking. Navigating the complexities of tree felling, particularly with massive trees on hilly terrain, is a skill that demands precision, experience, and an unwavering commitment to safety. The task of felling a colossal tree with a chainsaw is not just a matter of brute force. It involves strategic planning and expert execution, especially when dealing with dense second-growth sugar pines in challenging landscapes. On this particular property, the tree removal crew is tasked with thinning out the dense forest of second-growth sugar pines. These trees, with their substantial size and close proximity to one another, require careful handling to prevent accidents and ensure a successful operation. The crew, equipped with powerful chainsaws and protective gear, begins by assessing the site, identifying potential hazards, and planning the best approach for each tree. The process starts with creating a clear, safe zone around the tree, removing any obstacles that could interfere with the felling operation. The crew then makes precise cuts into the tree's trunk, carefully calculating the angle and depth to control the direction of the fall. This is crucial, as any miscalculation can lead to dangerous, unpredictable outcomes. The skillful use of the chainsaw ensures that the tree falls exactly where intended, minimizing damage to the surrounding environment and infrastructure. Once the tree is safely on the ground, the next phase involves processing it for removal. The massive trunk is sectioned into manageable pieces, a task that requires not only physical strength but also a keen understanding of the wood's grain and structure. The team then utilizes a big wood sawmill cutting machine, a sophisticated piece of equipment designed to handle large logs with precision. This machine efficiently cuts the tree into uniform pieces, ready for further processing or transportation. Despite the complexity and inherent risks, the tree removal crew's expertise and dedication to safety make the operation a success. Their ability to navigate the dense hilly property and handle the massive sugar pines with precision showcases their exceptional skill and commitment to their craft. This tree felling and sawmill operation, though routine for the crew, highlights the meticulous planning and execution required to perform such tasks safely and effectively. Next, dangerous giant tree cutting skill with chainsaw tree felling is an art and science, especially when it involves massive trees like a hybrid poplar with a diameter of 1.40 meters and a length of 37.60 meters. This formidable task requires skill, precision, and powerful equipment. Let's explore how a tree felling team manages such a challenge using a Husqvarna 395 XPG chainsaw and a large wood saw cutting machine. Tree felling is not a one-person job, especially with trees of this magnitude. A team of skilled arborists and loggers works together to ensure safety and efficiency. Each member has a specific role, from assessing the tree's condition to operating the equipment and directing the fall. Creating the notch. The first step in felling the tree is creating a notch on the side facing the intended fall direction. Using the Husqvarna 395 XPG, the team cuts a V-shaped notch about a quarter of the tree's diameter. This notch serves as a guide for the fall. Opposite side of the notch, the team makes the felling cut. This cut is slightly above the bottom of the notch. allowing the tree to hinge and fall in the desired direction. The team uses the large wood saw cutting machine for this cut, ensuring a clean and controlled fall. Husqvarna 395 XPG chainsaw. This powerhouse chainsaw, equipped with a 90cm blade, is designed for the toughest jobs. With about 100 CCM and 6.6 horsepower, it can cut through thick wood with ease. The chainsaw's design includes ergonomic features to reduce operator fatigue, which is crucial when working on large projects. Large wood saw cutting machine. For sections of the tree too massive for handheld chainsaws, the team uses a large wood saw cutting machine. This machine can handle substantial volumes of wood, ensuring the tree is cut into manageable pieces for removal and processing. Safety is paramount in tree felling. The team wears protective gear, including helmets, chainsaw chaps, gloves, and eye protection. They also maintain constant communication and follow established protocols to prevent accidents. Cutting down a giant hybrid poplar tree requires a blend of skill, teamwork, and powerful equipment. The Husqvarna 395 XPG chainsaw and large wood saw cutting machine play crucial roles in this process, enabling the team to safely and efficiently fell the tree. Through careful planning and precise execution, these professionals demonstrate the dangerous but fascinating art of giant tree cutting. After the giant trees are harvested, the next phase in their transformation begins. These majestic trees, which have stood tall and strong for decades or even centuries, are carefully felled and transported to the sawmill. The journey from a towering forest giant to usable lumber is a meticulous and fascinating process that involves a blend of human skill and powerful machinery. This formidable piece of equipment is the heart of the sawmill, embodying a perfect synergy of precision engineering and brute strength. Its purpose is to convert these enormous, unwieldy logs into manageable pieces of wood that can be further processed for various uses. Workers, skilled in the art of lumber production, oversee the operation, ensuring each log is correctly positioned and fed into the machine. The cutting machine roars to life, its powerful blades spinning with incredible speed and precision. As the log moves forward, the blades slice through the wood, transforming it from a single massive piece into smaller, more manageable sections. These sections are then further cut into specific dimensions as required. The big wood sawmill cutting machine can be adjusted to create different sizes and shapes of lumber, depending on the needs of the market. The versatility of the machine is one of its most remarkable features, allowing it to cater to a wide variety of woodworking projects, from construction materials to fine furniture. Watching the machine in action is a mesmerizing experience. The sheer power and efficiency with which it operates are awe-inspiring. Each cut is clean and precise, a testament to the engineering prowess that has gone into designing such a machine. The rhythmic sound of the blades, the sight of the wood being sliced into perfect sections, and the smell of freshly cut timber combine to create an atmosphere that is both industrial and almost magical. The transformation of giant trees into usable lumber is a wonderful process that marries the raw beauty of nature with human ingenuity. It's a journey that begins in the forest, with trees that have stood the test of time, and ends with wood that will be used to build homes, furniture, and countless other items that are integral to our daily lives. The big wood sawmill cutting machine plays a crucial role in this process, embodying the marvel of modern technology and the timeless value of wood.